Boxing is one of those sports that takes a lot of skill, effort, and strength. Now, I've been boxing for around 2 years now, and the thing is, I absolutely suck at it. Now, this could be due to me being bad at almost every single one of the things I just named. So to try to combat my lack of skill, I'm gonna try to put some rockets on a boxing glove, so then I'll be able to one punch everyone, which means I won't have to actually fight anyone because they'll be knocked out in one punch. So let's go become One Punch Man. So right here we got the what's this thing called? We got the C65. Now I know absolutely nothing about rockets. I just know that they go forward because they're rockets. So I'm gonna plan on strapping this to the back of a boxing glove. I've got some sort of ignition plasma lighter spark thing in here. I honestly don't know if it's gonna light it, but I'm gonna try. And if that works, it's gonna be on a boxing glove, and then I'm gonna be able to one punch anybody.
Hey, yeah, I'm right. Prove it. Oh, hey. Don't get me killed.
Oh.
He's out.
So before anything bad happens, I just want to say, don't do anything here at home. I'm a professional rocket scientist. I know everything, all the safety precautions, and yeah, this is just a horrible idea. Never do anything you see on this channel unless it's that cool water magic trick video that got 20 views I posted like 6 months ago. So you should go watch that. It's 57 seconds, I think. But anyways, I'm gonna go take this thing out of here, put it in here, press a button, light it, and hopefully not lose my arm or something.
Everything changes.
All right, attempt number 1. Oh, I think I need some protection before I do this, because what if this shoots at me and then I explode? So I'm gonna get protected. This is attempt 2 yesterday. I got too scared. I put it in. I have Lavelium Vlogs recording.
Yeah.
I have a shield. I'm gonna press this button and hopefully it will work. This is attempt number 2. Lavelium's recording from a safe distance.
This is not a safe distance.
Oh, I'm scared. I have safety goggles because I can find real ones, so I have flat ones, a helmet so I don't get a concussion. Fire extinguisher there. I don't know why, but work. Here we have attempt 3 of fixing it. That should work. All right, attempt 3. Oh! It's gonna light. That's a fail attempt again. Attempt 4. I'm gonna squirt it. I'm gonna squirt this in there. All right, so this thing is, it's really wet. I'm scared now because it's just soaked. So let's do attempt 4. Attempt number 5. is so bad to be close to this thing.
Changes.
Attempt number 8.
This is attempt numero 9. Oh.
Oh yeah!
It worked.
It worked.
Kind of scared to get close to it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
What happened to the table?
I'm gonna be having that on my arm, on my. Oh my god.
The table's completely ruined.
So it's been around a week or so since that first rocket test, and then in that time frame I was able to save up and buy this 3-pack of the C65 rockets. This means 3 knockouts, that are actually probably only 2 because I'm going to do a safety test to make sure that it doesn't explode or anything bad happens like that. So I've been thinking on actually how to put these on the boxing gloves, because if I just tape them on there, it's probably going to light the glove on fire, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm thinking about 3D printing some sort of shell to slip the rockets into. Then you just slip out the dead rocket, slip in a new fresh primed rocket, light it off, and then you got another 1 punch right there. Doing this, there's 2 problems. The first one is I'm horrible at 3D designing and modeling and stuff, so probably have to print out like 3 or 4 or 5 actual prototype things, because it's probably not going to fit a rocket, and I'm really bad at using a ruler and stuff like that, because I got a D in geometry. And another problem that I have is, as you probably saw from the rocket test, there's a big explosion charge that comes out of the front of the rocket once you actually light it off. So I'm thinking about probably making some sort of vent so the explosion from that doesn't go into my hand. It goes out backwards. And I'm going to try to do that, maybe cover the 3D printed stuff with aluminum or something. Because if it's plastic, it's definitely going to melt and then just destroy the glove. So let's go 3D model something and hopefully have it not take 14 attempts. So I'd say I've spent around like 30 minutes or so on this thing, and I'm shocked that it actually came out somewhat decent. Like this does not look bad. I was expecting to have it just be like a square with a hole in it, but this actually looks kind of good. And then I'll see you guys in the morning once this thing is all printed. So this thing just finished printing, and look at that slide. Look at that. Look at that perfection. Somehow I actually managed to perfectly measure this so it's not too tight, not too loose. But now you may be wondering why this thing's white and not black. And that's because originally I printed it black, but as it was printing, I grabbed the rocket, I slipped it in there, and then I couldn't get it out. So then it was stuck in there, and then I jammed my 3D printer, and then it ended up I don't know what the word is, discombobulating or whatever, this thing. So it would have just printed completely off. So then I decided to restart it with white, and this thing is looking so good. I'm gonna have to put it on the boxing glove, and now all we need is to do the wiring, which should be really easy. Just gotta wire a button in here, so then when you squeeze or something like that, it activates it, and then this thing's done. Hopefully, I'll have a volunteer to let me punch them, but I don't know who would want to volunteer, so I'm gonna go send out some DMs and offer a $1 cash prize if you get punched. So let's go do some wiring to this thing right now. So we finally got the rocket boxing glove all done. It's pretty simple. Button there, it makes this thing go here. This thing sparks this, which lights it, and then I'm hoping it's gonna shoot the glove forward. Now the real tests are gonna be on my hand. I'm just doing it here to make sure nothing explodes, because I didn't really make a vent. I forgot about that, and I just really want to test this. So if it doesn't explode, then I'll be fine to put it on my hand and be able to punch Mason with it, because he did something. Also, I'll put his channel in the description for letting me punch him with it. I honestly don't know if it's gonna hurt. So yeah, let's go test this thing right now. So what happened there was I lit the rocket off. It just shot for about 3 seconds. And then there was this massive explosion, like a huge noise. It didn't explode this, which is good. So I'm guessing the force from the explosion is what shot the rocket backwards out of there. If the rocket back hits my skin, my arm is gonna be destroyed. So I'm gonna wrap my arm in tinfoil, and I'll see you guys once it's the final test. I'm so scared.
You're so dumb.
So I'm gonna be hooking Mason in the arm. I have protection. Oh shit! It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. My ears, I can't hear. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, remember, no one was hurt in the making of this video. Mason fully consented to being rocket punched. And I'll see you guys in the next one.